Orleans DA Jason Williams is speaking out against criticism of his office's use of post-conviction resentencing. Good evening and thanks for joining us, everyone. I'm Sharice Gibson. Devin is off tonight. The DA's early release policies and the number of cases taken up in recent months have now launched a legislative investigation. Lily Cummings joining me now in studio with more on what the DA had to say. Lily.
Well, Sharice, as you know, this all started with lawmakers on social media seemingly accusing Williams of giving out free passes to criminals. In a press conference this afternoon, Williams said there's more to the story.
Orleans District Attorney Jason Williams has drawn fire from both Louisiana lawmakers and Governor Jeff Landry for the number of deals his office has reached with state inmates. These deals reduce their convictions and sentences, in many cases long after their trials.
We have used our discretion, but always within the law, as it's been historically used by all DAs, regardless of their color, regardless of their party affiliation.
At a press conference Monday, Williams said that New Orleans has been a national outlier for the number of defective convictions and wrongful prosecutions over the years. Williams says he's righting those wrongs and keeping campaign promises.
I was overwhelmingly elected by the people of New Orleans saying that this is what we were going to do.
District attorneys do have the authority to agree to post-conviction relief with a judge's approval. A legislative criminal justice committee is now calling Williams to appear at a special hearing on the matter next month. The committee chair, Senator Jay Morris from Monroe, told us last week he's digging into the volume of resentencing agreements reached in New Orleans over the past few months.
We're going through those to determine which ones raise a concern.
One list obtained by WWL Louisiana showed dozens of cases taken up since March. The criticism comes roughly 2 weeks after a new law went into effect that gives State Attorney General Liz Murrill the power to appeal resentencings. The AG released a statement Monday saying she's reviewing 40 cases between January and July where relief was granted, and that, quote, post-conviction relief is not a mechanism for revising a sentence that is long final simply because the district attorney has a difference of opinion with the legislature and reviewing courts on criminal justice policy. Williams said some of the cases involved non-unanimous juries, which are no longer legal, and in others, prosecutors failed to turn over evidence to the defense. He denies speeding up the work to beat the August 1st deadline.
We've been doing this work at the exact same pace this year as we did for the first 3 years.
And the legislative hearing into those post-conviction deals is now set for September 5th. Today, DA Williams said he accepts the invitation to testify before the committee. Sharice.
All right, Lily, thank you so much. We'll, of course, continue to cover this story, especially when that committee hearing happens.